Hello everyone, if you are meeting a new friends today, what are the three things you want to know about them? Their country, their nationality, and their language. Today, we are not learning about new words. We are learning how to introduce ourselves, respect differences, and learn about our country, nationality, and languages. Let's get started.
My name is Nita. I'm come from Cambodia. I'm Cambodian and I'm speak Khmer.
Hello, my name is Sky. I'm from the UK. I'm British and I speak English.
Hola, my name is Narita. I'm come from Brazil. My nationality is Brazilian and I speak Portuguese.
Hola, my name is Han Chi Yan. I am come from Mexico. I'm Mexican and I speak Spanish.
Ni hao, my name is Tira. I'm from China. I'm Chinese and speak Chinese.
Konnichiwa, my name is Vina. I'm from Japan. I'm Japanese. I speak Japanese.
Hola, my name is Leon. I'm from Spain. I'm Spanish. I speak Spanish.
Привет, my name is Kim Son. I'm from Russia. I'm Russian. I speak Russian.
Hello, my name is Jarius. I'm from Indonesia. I'm Indonesian. I'm speak Indonesian.
안녕하세요. My name is Thirat. I'm from Korean. I'm a Korean. I speak Korean.
สวัสดี My name is Hai. I'm from Laos. I'm Lao. I speak Lao.
Hello, my name is Song Maliep. I'm from Malaysia. I am Malaysian and I speak Malay.
Mahaba, my name is Malay. I'm from Turkey. I'm Turkish. I speak Turkish.
Kamusta, my name is Motana. I'm from the Philippines. I'm Filipino. I speak Filipino and English. Let's speak proudly, listen respectfully, and celebrate our differences.